Okay, so I'm stealing this from Brody's Discord. Someone posted this as a suggestion, and I thought it was a pretty nifty and funny um, little application, and I have not installed it as of yet. So we're going to go through the whole process. But basically, the whole idea is if you like forget a command or something, this will automatically correct it for you and run the command without like any issue. So they've got a whole bunch of examples here of what it does. And yeah, it'll basically fill in like parts that you miss, and if you need to change different permissions here and there and whatnot. So to start off, so yeah, they've got the whole thing running here. So if I go and so they do have it in the standard repos, and they do have a ZSH plugin for it. If you're one of those that needs that, I don't think I'm gonna mess with that, but it's there for when you want it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna install the standard one that is actually in the community repo, because it's basically our only option. Okay. Let me make sure, wrong key. So if I go and say I want to use Vim, oh no, I go So the setup is pretty easy, obviously. So what we do is we go back and we do that, and then we curse, and then we get this whole thing where, so you've got arrows, Control C to cancel, so we can go through our options of commands to correct it to. And then it'll run Vim, or in my case NeoVim, because that's what I have the alias set up as. So it's pretty simple. So let me... So if I go to CD... projects, Pokemon. Let's just pick a Git one and get a Git repo. Okay. So what we may actually do is I don't have... Oh yeah, that would be actually be a halfway decent one. So yeah, that is one we are going to go with instead. So if I go and I got clone, and then I insert our expletive, okay, it doesn't quite work. So we can go... Huh, fascinating. So it's not perfect. still in development, obviously. Let's go get and so it gives us git clone right off the bat. So it does recognize like certain commands and have like the fill-in for it, so we can run the command and then it goes through and does that. So it's a pretty quick and dirty application. If you mess things up, it's not going to take like your whole time. So the other option, if you're one of those people, and I know people are going to be mad at me for using like this application for like as many times as I have, but if you are one of those people that want to avoid controversy and like typing out certain words all the time, you can go in. Let's see. So it added the eval to it. So I want to actually take this and I'm going to pop it up there. And then I am going to, let's go alias flux with, get the right key. Okay. So if I then do that and I go and I say, and I go and use vom again, and I go frick, oh wait, no, it was flux, then it runs it. Well, I mean, I'm not gonna want to run that. So we go through and correct the right one, and then it runs it. So if you want to have the same power, then you're probably going to end up aliasing it. But if you run into an error, of course it's going to use its standard name for it. So, you know, if you're one of those people that always gets typos and wants a shorthand way of, fixing your typo, this is a really good option for you. You can scroll through, you can look for different like options that it has and whatnot. It won't have everything, so yeah, you'll just have to like go through and it can also fill in like holes. So if I go git clone, nothing. So it doesn't have everything, but I mean, if you wanted to add more to it or support it, the project page, I think I'll leave in the description so you can go and check it out. But yeah, if this was helpful, you found it pretty interesting or what have you, check out the links in the description and the chats and all, and I will see you guys later.